Hello everyone, hope you'll be okay. As you know, TradingView is an analysis platform like MetaTrader, and its ease of use, meaning the tools and anything, persuades everyone, especially me, to use that. Today, I will talk about two very useful capabilities of this platform, while help you feel more relaxed while using this platform. Before diving into the topic, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification on. Well, this is the main chart page of TradingView. This left column all indicates the drawing tools. Well, it may be difficult for you and somehow you are feeling bad while analyzing a chart and every time need to draw a line or use a tool, back to these toolbars and by clicking get use of it. There is an easy way to customize your favorite tools and gather them all in one toolbar which can be floated on the screen. Every toolbars here on the left, if you click on, next to each tool there is an empty star that if you click on changes to yellow color, means that has been added to your favorite toolbar. And your favorite toolbar is down here. By clicking on this toolbar, the floated toolbar appears on the screen. Here it is, and not anymore. You need to back to toolbar continuously. The customizing is also true for indicators. You can have your favorite indicators all in one place. Now, open Indicators tab. Next to each indicator on the left, there is an empty star, like drawing tools. By clicking on the star, it changes to yellow. Now let me select some indicators randomly. Close the Indicators tab. On the right side of the indicators, this icon just appears. By opening this tab, all your favorite indicators now are available for you. Another very useful capability of TradingView is the alert, right here. Different sections it has, and one by one I will explain all of them. If you haven't hit the like button yet, so smash the like button to show me your supports. The first section of alert, condition. This first box refers to your symbol and indicators that which ones you are going to use alert for. Indicator or symbol. The most important box. Here you choose for what action you are setting the alert. Crossing, whether up or down. Just crossing up, crossing down. Greater than a value. Greater than a value is the same as crossing up, and less than is the same as crossing down. The next four selections belong to the channel. Of course, horizontal, it has not been programmed for ascending or descending channels. Exiting and outside channel are the same. By the time the price exited from the channel, whether through upper or lower lines, you will get the alert. Entering and inside channel are the same. By the time price entering the channel, the alert will be activated. Well, this value belongs to the upper line and this value belongs to the lower line. The next four remaining selections belong to changes within the bar or bars. The first two one in pip and the two last categorized by percent. Through this value, you can determine your pips or percentage changes per bar or bars. And the right one refers to the number of bars that this action can be applied to. The options section refers to the quantity of the alert when the condition is met. Expiration data is clear. You can change the data and you can set up your data for how many days or for how many hours you are setting this alert. Alert actions show that how we are going to receive the alert, notify on app, show pop-up, send email, or what. If you click on more actions, you can choose your favorite sound among the list, and next to your play sound, you can choose time duration that the sound being played. Below that, you can choose a name for your alert. And finally, this box is what will be shown when your alert pop up on the screen or you're receiving an email. You can edit this box and make it on your own desire. I hope that by this alert you get wonderful triggers and profit from the market. Drop your warm like on the video and comment on if you have any questions. And also you can email me and share your thoughts. I will put my email link in the description. And before closing this content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a good time. See you soon.